Hello, I'm Varshiny Gopinath. I'm a PhD scholar at IIT Madras. I work with Dr. Vignesh Muthuvijayan. So we have developed an injectable antifibrotic drug-loaded hydrogel system to treat fibrotic conditions. The hydrogel is liquid at the room temperature and it forms gel at the physiological condition when it reaches the patient's body site. It can sustainably release the drug based on the disease microenvironment state so that we can have a site activated targeted drug delivery. The hydrogel system has shown a promise in our lab experimental condition where it can reduce the fibrosis recurrence, also promote regulated wound healing or muscle regeneration. So this can also be used in the future applications of renal fibrosis or any muscle related atrophy or sarcopenia, different models. Our future studies include testing in preclinical models and also patient derived models. Our preliminary studies shows antifibrotic activity, and this hydrogel system is very cost effective method compared to the current options available. Thank you.